They did hint at the fact that it will be possible in future. They didn't give me timelines on it. I would hope by the end of the year, but again, it's not confirmed. Again, as soon as something like that is available, I'll be emailing everyone, telling them it is, because
Shout it from
it would be
rooftops.
great. I think it's just the underlying architecture and how mirror columns work that it doesn't like. It's just basically copying information. It's like taking a screenshot of something from another board and putting it in, and you can't work on it that well.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's it. As soon as it's available, we'll let you know.
What I also, I'm
Um,
not sure if everybody's aware, but you can also submit an idea into Monday. So if you go into your help section, and then click on contact us. So in here you got submit an idea. This is where they get the majority of their new feature ideas from. And then you can see as well how many people have already submitted that idea or suggested something similar to it as well.